You can create entries in your log forwarding profiles that instruct firewalls to send copies of log events to more than one target system. So in addition to sending threat events to Panorama, you can also have firewalls send their threat log events to a Syslog server or an SNMP trap receiver. You can also create filters to define the kinds of events within a log file that you want the firewalls to send to those target systems. For example, I've created a log forwarding profile called Production Log Forwarding. I have to match list entries already in place. The first one instructs firewalls to send copies of their threat log events to Panorama. The second one also instructs firewalls to send copies of their traffic log entries to Panorama. But my company also uses a Syslog solution that we've had for years, and I still want some events from my firewalls to be sent to that target system as well as to Panorama. So I'll create an additional match entry in this profile. Clicking Add, I'll enter a name and a description. For the log type, I'll choose Threat. And for filter, I'll select Severity equal Critical. I can also use the filter builder if I wanted to build a more sophisticated filter than the ones that are available here. But I'm going to keep this simple. Under the forward method, I'll use the Add button under Syslog to select my Syslog server profile. Server profiles are defined under Device Server Profiles. My target server profiles, like Syslog servers, need to be set up before I can select them as part of the log forwarding profile configuration. Now with all the components in place, I'll click OK. And I now have a log forwarding profile configured with 3 conditions. One that tells my firewalls to send copies of their threat events to Panorama. Another that tells the firewalls to send copies of their traffic events to Panorama, and a third one that tells the firewalls to send a copy of their critical threat events to my Syslog servers.